Ann here from AnnMakes. Welcome to part 2 of the Dollarama Haul. So here I bought a magnetic tray. These are $3.50. I think they've gone up in price. I already have a few of these in my home. I have one in the garage, I believe. I have one in the laundry room. I do have one in the studio where I keep my tools, but I got another one for my area here, my studio, to keep for around my desk, around my die cutting machines, to catch things. It's magnetic, it's great, it holds things in place, and with very curious kitties around, it's great for me to have a place to keep things, because the cats, yeah. So if I'm working with any type of screws, if I'm working with dies, metal dies, pins, things like that, pair of clips, this is a good way to hold them secure. I got these wood slices. You get 2 in a pack for $1.25. Great for crafting. They come with a hole and a string. Don't have to use the string. You can cover the hole if you're going to paint them, whatever. Just a great blank or base for projects. Speaking of blanks and bases, they sell these wooden keychains. You get 8 of these for $1.50. Great bases for projects. Picked up the wooden stencils. It says it includes 1 uppercase alphabet, 1 lowercase alphabet, 1 number, and special character. So they're wooden stencils. They could be used as stencils. I was thinking maybe I would give these some sort of finish and turn them into embellishments because they seem to come apart. So there's 3 sheets of these wooden stencils for $2. This is new. New to me. If it's not new to Dollarama, in their craft series, they have this set of fabric paint set. There are 12 pieces in here. You do get 12 colors. You get a paint blender and a brush, and they say it's non-toxic. Yeah. So this is the kit. And there's instructions on the back. And yeah, I wonder if this is good. So I think the jars are glass. Yep, I think they're glass. So $4 for this fabric paint set. I picked up these little buttons. I'm not sure if they're new. They're very cute. Wooden buttons in a box like this, $1.75. You seem to get 4 of each color and 3, 6, 9. So yeah, I think there's a total of 36 of these wooden buttons. They're very nice looking. These ones have flowers. Is it? And flowers? What's this? Like, I think little birds or something. I can't really tell what this is, but they're very pretty. They have these packets of glass beads. I also got, there's another packet that I got. They're tiny beads, tinier than this. There's the other packet I have is the beads that don't have holes. They're so tiny. There's 6 packs, 24 grams each pack for $1. $1, something for $1. Run, people, run. Got these wooden decorations. They're part of the occasions, so this is something seasonal. They're the painted series. Again, you get 30 pieces, these blank little tiny wooden bunnies for $1.25. And I got these chalkboard clips. These are sold with the gardening stuff. They're seasonal as well. They're by Schmidt. Don't have to use these in the garden. I can use these in the garden, but I'm going to be using these to attach to bins that I have that are not plastic or that can't hold a sticker, or it's the only way I can identify them is if I clip this and I write on here what's inside the bin, and especially if I'm storing bins above the top shelf in my laundry room or here in the studio. So I get 3 of these. They are chalkboard, they're wood with the chalkboard surface, and they're on little clothespins, $1.25. So I thought these would be good for organizing. I got these little valentines. It says they're tattoos, 24 tattoos, expressive valentines. Picked these up because of the cute kitty cats and dogs, and I want to use these in crafting, of course, because I love kitty cats. And yeah, and you get all this for $2.25. I picked up these mini embellishments, tiny little jars with tiny little embellishments. You cannot go wrong. There's 8 little jars in here with the cutest little embellishments, $1.50. Such a good buy. And last but not least, not crafty, but I think it's a good deal, chapstick. SPF 30 active chapstick, $2. This was the only one at my store. Had they had more, I would have bought 3 others, at least one for each of my family members. But this one will be, I'll give this one to my husband. So, yep, that's it for the Dollarama haul. Woo! In 2 parts because there's too much. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found something inspiring, or you learned something that how you could save money maybe for your crafting. And you know, it's still possible to find some good deals, people. I know the cost of everything is up and up and up, but look, it's possible to find some things for $1. Don't despair. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, stay crafty. Bye.